If you've ever built a form in Culverdocs, you'll know exactly how powerful visibility rules are to make sure your users only see the questions relevant to them. Previously, setting these up meant typing operators and values by hand and getting the syntax exactly right. That was powerful, but we wanted to make it even easier. So today, I'm walking through our brand new visibility rules, a completely new way of working, built from your feedback with a lot more flexibility. Moving forward, when creating a new form, you'll see this toggle. All new forms will be automatically enabled for the new rules, though you still have the ability to opt out if you would prefer to during the beta phase. Once in your new form, you'll notice the Rules section, and each field has a brand new interface. After selecting your desired target field, you can pick from a list of operators. These are dynamic based on the field type and provide a whole selection of different options which weren't possible before. So what operators can you actually choose from? Short answers and all text inputs allow the standard operators, such as equals, contains, and has value, and also the reverse option of those too. In addition, number fields allow greater than, less than, and between ranges, and similarly, dates and times support before, after, and between dates. Each field has its own unique list of operators, and the system will guide you every step of the way. Now, setting the operator is only part of the story, as entering the actual value to compare against has been improved too. In short answers, you can type one or more values. Simply press Enter to add or press X to clear the specific value. And when dealing with choice and select fields, we know the exact options that exist. So using the dropdown allows you to easily select from the list without having to manually type the option you're after. Now that we've set up a basic rule, we can take that a step further. As before, you can target more than one field. This works in the exact same way, and clicking Add Rule will add another option, which is an AND condition. This means all rules must be true for the field to be shown. And let's move on to the next and biggest standout feature, and that's OR groups. In the old version, you only had a single set of rules, and as mentioned, all of those had to be true for the field to show. But in many more advanced forms, you might need to show a field based on various different conditions. In this example, we might want to show the damaged photo field if the interior or exterior field has been marked as failed. Here we can create two groups, meaning if either of these is true, the photos field will be shown. Now that we've covered the key benefits, there are some helpful actions we can use on these new groups too. Each group can be renamed, which helps give other users context on what the group is intended for, or a helpful reminder when you come back to edit the form in the future. Duplicating a group saves time reconfiguring complex logic as you build more advanced groups over time. And lastly, the entire group can also be deleted if it's no longer required. So hopefully that's given you a good look at the new world of visibility rules and what you can do with the latest updates. They're available now for all new forms during the beta phase, and you'll also have an option to upgrade your existing forms in the future. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to get in touch with the team. We're always around to help with queries and can run you through all of the new features I've touched on today. We'd love to hear your thoughts once you've had a chance to try these out, and thanks for watching.